Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Tom Jeffs. I'm one of the directors, one of the trainers and coaches at Change Your Minds Kent. And this is just an update video for 2021, just to let you know about some of the work that we're doing together, Change Your Minds and Miles and Barr. So first of all, who are Change Your Minds Kent? We're local. We're a not-for-profit organisation. So what that means is that the money that's made with the kind of work that we do gets ploughed back into community projects. So we really want you to know that it's really important to us that when you're working with us, you're also helping the local community. We do two things at Change Your Minds Kent. We kind of get monies in to kind of do community projects. And if you're interested to find out the type of work that we're doing, then have a little look at this link here. The aspect of Change Your Minds Kent is working with workplaces like yours, and we run an employee wellbeing program. What is included in the employee wellbeing program? Well, we do two things really. We kind of do group work, so this is kind of training. You might have been on some training, or maybe you might be on some training this year. So the kind of training we're talking about is mental health first aid. There's also some workshops on measuring, improving well-being. Some of the other things which we're quite excited about, which we're looking to do this year, we're looking to continue our coaching and counselling. And the other kind of new thing that we're going to be trialling with you guys is essentially like a well-being clinic. It's like an MOT, if you like. We MOT our cars, but we don't MOT ourselves. We look after our cars really better than we do ourselves. So what's a wellbeing clinic? Well, it's an opportunity. So it's something virtual, be over Zoom. You'll be able to book yourself in anonymously and have a chat with either myself or one of our coaches or counsellors. 20 minutes, and it could be something that you want to talk about to yourself and get a few kind of ideas, or maybe where you can go to get some more help with, or it could be someone that you're close to, friend or family or a work colleague that you'd like to have a conversation about. Just to put your mind at ease, or just help with some resources that will be helpful for them. So that's something we're trialing this year. So maybe you might see some communication about that sometime soon. We're looking forward to doing this work together with Miles and Barr this year. Please get in touch if you've got any questions about what it is that we're doing in the community or in the workplace. And hopefully we'll see you sometime soon. Take care.